Hi guys, welcome to our channel Getfully. Today we're gonna see the quick unboxing of i9 E-Gate, the projector, and this is the box, which is I got it from Amazon for 5,600, and you can see the bill here, 5,690, and this is nice protection from Amazon, and this is the projector. You can see this. Let me unbox it. So guys, this is the package of E-Gate i9 projector, LED projector, HD projector, and there is nothing much on the case. This is the protection, and here the price tag on the package is 990, and the item is LED projector, brand Egate, model EG-i9, and the product number is here, and there is one sealing protection is given. Let me cut it. That's great. That's a great packing from Egate, and this is the package of this particular LED projector. That's good. It's a good packing, I think. For this nice packing is given. So this is the projector. Here you can see some belongings, accessories, remote, the cable, the audio video cable. You will get the accessories belongs with it. And so this is the projector. You can see the projector. Here is the projector, and here some adjusting button, which is good size. You can see this much only the size. This is the size, and here you can see some buttons, the power on button and the other buttons, and you can see the ports here, the USB ports, HDMI ports, and video ports. And yeah, this is good that they provided the 3.5 jack for audio devices and all. You can connect the home theater or the 2.1 or 5.1 audio speakers with it. That's it. Here's the project adjuster. That's it. So guys, I'll come with another video of working of this particular projector. This is the things we got it with it, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching. This is from Getfully. If you like the video, please subscribe, comment, like, support our channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.